Yo.
What's going on, guys? Today, I got me and Tyler. We're going to be working on his Kawasaki z400. We got Tyler's z400. We're going to be doing a full exhaust system. Hindle. Is it Hindle Performance?
Performance exhaust.
Yeah.
The megaphone.
Literally. You got the carbon fiber tip on that hoe?
Is there?
Yeah. Alright, so Kawasaki made it easier than the Yamaha. You can't see it, but it's over there. Oh, we got the spring tool. Okay. So you have your 10 mil bolt right there, 12 mil on the back. That is the only hanger holding this up, I believe. Then we have a 17 mil open-ended wrench for the O2 sensor, 12 millimeter socket for the headers. That comes off, and then we can put the new system on.
I want to throw a fun fact in there, Mark.
All right, throw it in. It's recording.
Oh. So the stock exhaust is 13 pounds, and then the hindle megaphone is, I believe, 5.1 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna get a little bit of exhaust. Go for it. Is that a sewing machine? Give it a little blippy blip. Okay, it did sound better than my bike when it was stock, but you know. All right, you can kill it. We don't want it to be too hot. All right, so let's get into it. That was literally like 30 seconds later. We had this off, O2 sensor, and the 4 nuts that'll go on the headers. I don't even know what I'm pointing. Right there. And the exhaust came off, so yeah.
Good job, Kawasaki.
So Tyler, grab your headers.
Fuck Yamaha.
Hi, Austin.
Alright.
Look how blue your eyes are. Zoom.
Baby!
So these are the headers. Alright, so we already still kind of have the gaskets inside the headers.
Maybe in there. Oh, I got one. Sorry.
I was gonna say, yeah, we're definitely missing one of the
Remember when I told you it was jingling? Yeah, my bad.
Shut up. So basically, you just gotta put that on, put the other one on, shove it on the studs, put the 4 nuts on. Don't tighten them down all the way. Boom. Austin, you have something to say?
Follow GLI.Austin on Instagram. DMs are open. Ladies only.
Yeah, he's single. He's single. 18 and up. Maybe 17.
No.
16?
What the fuck?
You like
Hell
kids?
no. Hell no.
He's also single.
I'm a grown man.
Tie-dot Ginger? Or no, wait, it's tie-dot MX-5?
Both.
Yeah. Okay, we got the 4 nuts on the headers. Now we're gonna put the mid-pipe and then the muffler. Alright, we got the mid-pipe slid over the headers. We're gonna put a spring here to here. We have this spring tool. O2 sensor has an adapter because it's too small, so it expands the threads. And now we're gonna put the muffler on, or the megaphone. Tyler, grab the megaphone.
It's actually called a megaphone, like the model. It's actually called a megaphone. That's like our.
That's why I'm saying. Straight through? Alright.
It's like Legos, guys. You can't mess it up. Unless you're us.
Alright, we're done. Okay, we got it all on. Actually, we might need to tighten that a little bit more since, okay, we went ahead. Everything's on. Everything's tightened down. O2 is plugged in. Tie.
Haha.
Let her rip. That's minty, dog. That sounds fucking good. Austin, you have anything to say about it?
Yeah, I actually have one thing to say. It's not about the bike, alright? It's that Mark is stupid.
Super zoomed on his face right now.
This
start it up. We let it warm up, let it cool down. Go. Alright. Give her a little blippy blip. Ooh. Again. A little bit more RPM. Oh, okay. Alright, now let's take it for a spin. Alright. It's just you gotta pull down. There you go. Not as much like popping though, especially on diesel. Oh, his downshift is weird. Oh, his brakes are sensitive. Oh, it popped a little bit. These cars to pass. How do you like it? It's different, right?
It's fucking weird, like the handlebar placement, everything.
Yours is a little different too. This bike feels so weird. Oh, a little pop. A little pop. You're not as aggressive as mine, but... where the fuck is his neutral at? There we go. Your neutral sucks to find.
Huh?
Your neutral sucks to find. Mine's real easy.
You can't find mine unless you're stopped.
Mine just clicks right in.
Mine literally will not go into neutral unless the bike is like
completely stopped.
Yeah.
Mine goes in so easy.
It doesn't bother me that much because like I don't have a use for it, but
your clutch is also just like it doesn't feel like it's there.
I stalled yours.
Huh?
I stalled yours. Stop sign.
You
I stalled that, so I let it go. I was like,
nerd. It actually sounds like a megaphone. It actually does kind of sound like a megaphone. Tyler, we'll just go to Andrews and then flip it back around. Alright, I found neutral.